Hi there, I'm Erica, creator of Asali Life, and this is a lifestyle brand that is going to help you and me live our best lives. Now, there are a lot of philosophies out there, some of which you may resonate with more than others, but one of my goals is to take the best parts or what seems like the best part for yourself or maybe for me, and how we can apply those aspects to our lives while living our authentic life and doing the things that make us feel the best. So I'll be focusing on anywhere from food, recipes, clothing, style, minimalism to some extent, sustainability. And I also have a company called Asali Aromatics, which is a very authentically scented line using only scents from nature. And it's honey soaps, butter bars, and also candles that can help create a really nice ambiance in your home. So thank you for joining me, and I look forward to giving you more content. Peace.